guys, it's Ashley, Corey, and our son Ethan. We're on our way to the Selfridge Airshow. They haven't done it in a few years, so this is the first time they're bringing it back in quite a while, so it should be interesting.
It should be fun. I mean, hopefully I'm thinking about buying a plane, so hopefully, you know, maybe an F-18.
Why not an F-22?
Nothing crazy expensive.
Nothing crazy. What about the historical ones? We could get one of those.
No, you just ask the guy to start. That throws old ass out. It's usually a 100-year-old flying the thing that you take off with his plane.
There you go. So, anyways, we hope that you enjoy this video, and yeah, we'll catch back up with you when we head out to Vegas. Something that Megan told you to sit down.
This is how good the U.S. military is. This particular plane right here looks like it's running new, but it's actually, I believe, I want to say it's from the 1960s. It's actually that old.
So, they always name their planes like boats, right?
Yeah.
And this one is called... Really?
His best friend out of one of these.
Your grandfather?
He got shot up. Bullets hit right here, took his friend out. He pulled his friend out, had to go down in there. Yeah, they call these flying fortresses of World War II. Why not the right on one of these from literally Europe and take it all the way to Vegas. Sign serial numbers over. Just get a hop quick ride in. Get on that sheet. Yeah, that was they were called the Tuskegee Airmen in World War II.
Pretty proud of themselves?
Yeah, because you got to think that, you know, I believe they were the first African American fighter pilots.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
During World War I.
This was a Jenny, 1917 Curtis Jenny, and it caught about 95% of all North American pilots who flying World War I.
Oh wow. So
awesome.
That is really cool. So people use this as basically like their first learning plane.
This was a trainer, which is why it had only one fuel tank. Its range is only about an hour.
Okay.
About 65 miles an hour. The instructor sat in the back, and the student sat in the front. And if they would go down, translation crash, how could they communicate with base? Behind the instructor was a little cubby hole that held a homing pigeon. And they would do a note saying we went down to Farmer Jones Field, send an extra propeller, and send it off, and the homing pigeon would go back to the base.
Oh my goodness.
The plane's made out of fabric.
It's made out of fabric and wood.
Wow.